In this video I just want to show you this Fire Stick TV that I've just had delivered. Now after delivery I noticed that I got an email from Amazon and that's what it says, how to get started. So preparing for setup, plug in your Fire Stick, follow the on-screen guide, experience Alexa. So obviously uses Alexa voice for the commands via this remote, and this here goes into the TV by the look of it, but you need Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to pop that there. I haven't opened it yet, so I have no idea what it looks like apart from the picture on the front. So I've just unsealed that, which is very strong seal, and I'm just going to open this. This is about as far as I got downstairs, so I've brought it upstairs and let's see how it opens. Not really sure yet. Oh right, okay, there. I don't want it all to fall out. Okay, so what have we got? I'm going to move the phone out of the way. So this little booklet, obviously some guarantee. What have we got here? Oh, that obviously just pushes out. That's obviously the cable. That's the HDMI. Whether it's a conversion, I'm not sure what that is. And this is a USB wire for some reason. What else we got? The plug, obviously, USB plug. Says Amazon on the back of it, which is useful really to identify from other plugs that you have in your sockets. Nicely wrapped, seems fairly good quality actually. Let's just open that. That's obviously the HDMI thing. Goes into the back of your television. Obviously requires power too. So that's obviously what the plug's about. Haha, this is the remote controller. Let's open it. As I say, I ordered it. I don't know much about it. Now, the reason why I ordered it, now that's probably more appropriate. This has got a cover on that, though. Now, the reason why I ordered it was we took out Amazon Prime in order to get faster delivery of things. Most of the time we try to buy things local, but sometimes you just can't find it. And getting parked up in town can be a pain. So we buy things from Amazon, but not all the time. But anyway, we took out the Prime because it's got Amazon Video, so you can watch all the films and the music. Although I've got Spotify anyway. Anyway, with Amazon Video, on our HD TV, which is a Samsung, there's no app on the Sky Q that has Amazon Video at the moment. They may introduce one. So the only way I could get that, because I've got other ones like YouTube, Spotify, and Netflix. I've got all those on Sky Q, but they don't have the Amazon Video. So this Fire Stick should enable me to use the television and access the Amazon Video to watch the videos. So anyway, that's everything emptied in there. I'll recycle that and recycle them. So there's quite a lot in the little box, to be honest. And I'll go through the instructions on the email that was sent. And obviously, this will obviously require some batteries, presumably. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate the video, be honest and give it a thumbs down. But there's not much else I can say. I'm just hoping that it works. If it doesn't, I'll be putting a comment below. So thank you again for watching. Look out for my next video. Some music videos coming up fairly shortly. Some cover songs you can learn to play. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.